to learn from them that what are their requirements, what they are looking for, and to understand from them that how the space of global pharmacy is changing. If you're willing to be a part of something like this, then there is a huge opportunity for you. PCS 2025. LinkedIn, Naukri, Seek, Indeed. These are some few of those job application platforms where you are trying to get your next pharmacy job. But many a times, they just ignore your resume or they just reject you without calling for the interview, without having a face-to-face conversation. I know how it feels, but you have this chance. Yes, you do have. If you get the chance to meet your employer or future employers, to have a one-on-one interaction, to learn from them that what are their requirements, what they are looking for, and to understand from them that how the space of global pharmacy is changing. If you're willing to be a part of something like this, then there is a huge opportunity for you. PCS 2025, Pharmacy Career Summit, Australia. This is Australia's biggest pharmacy event till date. And guess what? It is organized by Australia's largest recruitment agency, Ravens Recruitment. Let me guide you more about this event. Let's jump onto the landing page of this event. That is PCS 2025 official website.
So here we are on the Pharmacy Career Summit 2025's official website. As I've already mentioned that this event is Australia's biggest pharmacy event ever. And guess what? This event is completely free of cost, which means you have to pay no single penny to be a part of it. It's starting on 4 July 2025 and is organized by Ravens Recruitment. As I've already mentioned that Ravens Recruitment is Australia's largest recruitment agency that helps aspiring pharmacists and many candidates be a part of the company that they wish to be. And as I've mentioned that there are very few days left. Here is the time ticking. 6 days are left when I'm recording this video. And if you're confused on how to register for this summit, then here is the registration link. All you gotta do is just visit the PCS 2025 website and click on this registration now link. Here you will get this form. You have to fill it out, mention your name, your last name, your email address, phone number, your occupation, whether you're a pharmacist, intern, industry expert, you can fill it there, your country, hit the register button and you are good to go. Other more important things about this summit are that this summit includes 50 industry experts, including businesses, motivational speakers, and the common theme is career development and advancement. So in 2024 summit, more than 1,900 people signed up and making it one of the largest pharmacy event in Australia in 2024. And this time in 2025, we are expecting the same magic to happen again. So what is this event all about? As I've mentioned that this event is organized by Ravens Recruitment. Here we have the session on 4 July 2025, 9 AEST. The event is going to get started and many industry experts are going to be a part of it, which includes Ravens Recruitment itself, Pharmacy Guild of Australia, and many other, including all these members who are going to get there and guide you about this event.
And not just that, you will get the chance to earn up to 3 hours of CPD credits. These CPD credits, which are also known as continuing professional development, are very crucial in getting your first job and many other opportunities. So don't miss out. Now, if you have this question that who must actually join this event? If you're a student, an intern, a pharmacist, or a seasoned professional, this is your opportunity to get the exposure for international pharmacy rules, regulations, laws, expectations, and many other opportunities. I hope this video helped you develop better understanding about why you should attend this event, why it's going to be very important for all those aspiring pharmacists who are willing to land their new job, who are willing to explore global opportunities, who are here to make a difference. If you're willing to join, then you can comment PCS 2025 in the comment section, or you can simply just visit PCS 2025 official website. There you can register as well. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share this video with all your friends and colleagues who should watch this and be a part of it. Subscribe to Allied Expertise without forgetting to hit that bell icon.